You excited, Hannah? You hold on. I'm taking a video of you. Say, let's go, Pawpaw.
She won't burn herself down there nowhere, will she?
Hannah, put your feet right there.
I would put your feet on top of that.
Well, you won't be gone that long, right?
Yeah, so you can put your one foot right there. Yeah, I'll probably. I don't know how she's going to handle it.
Have fun, bud. No, Tyler's next. Tyler already went with her dad. I'm just making sure they go on their own. Okay.
He's me. His dog's me.
Scoot back and use your butt.
Cheese. Motorcycle.
You're excited, aren't you?
Take it back through the dirt.
Grandma, if you get him one, get me one too.
50?
Huh?
A 50?
Hell yeah.
Alright. There's a kid that rides one of them pocket bikes around the neighborhood up there.
Yeah,
Huh? Is that fun? Yeah, a little road race.